My wife wanted a secret garden where she and her friends could get together and just chat and hang out. And I thought, wouldn't it be nice if we could get an outdoor bench that the group of them could use? Well, now thanks to the Home Depot Seeds program, we now have an outdoor wicker bench that we can assemble. Upon opening the box, we see that we have a pre-assembled back, bottom, and then in a second unit, there are the instruction sheets, some tools, some parts, and the 2 side rails. Let's start assembling. First thing we need to do is to grab the right arm, and the way to tell the difference between the two is when you lay it down and you're looking at it, there'll be a hole on the left side. There's a big curve on the left side. There's less of a curve on the right side. This is the right arm. There are 2 attachment points, and we will now grab the bottom and attach that using a bolt and a washer. Then when we're finished attaching it, we will add a little plastic cap on the top to make it look nice and finished. Instead of using the included wrench, I'm going to use a 1/2 inch ratchet just to make things a little easier for me. Do note that the seat has a front edge and a back edge. So this front edge will be on our right side as we're placing it onto the right arm. We now grab the bottom, place it perpendicular to the right arm, and attach it. To attach the back, we will be using 2 DD washers and 2 BB bolts, along with 2 soft FF caps that will go on the end. And of course, we will be using the Allen key that's included to attach them. Before attaching the back, we make sure that the side with the Hampton Bay label is facing outward so that the curved side is facing inward, and that will correspond with what we already have set up. We align the whole of the seat with the attachment point on the back and insert our bolt. And then fasten. Now we lay the bench on its long side, and we're going to attach a DD washer to a BB bolt using the Allen key over by the right side arm. Quick tip, use the Allen key to make sure that the opening lines up. And this takes some of the guesswork out of finding that hole. And you don't want to over tighten these, as it will bend the metal. Now we stand up the bench and we attach the left arm using the same procedure that we did for the right arm. I did find it easier to start the 2 bottom bolts and then move on to the arm bolt that attaches to the back, and making sure that aligned properly, then finally tightening down the fasteners. You may notice that I switched over to a ratchet set, as it made driving the fasteners just very easy. When completed, your bench should look exactly like this. The bench consists of a synthetic weave material, metal arms, metal frame. All the webbing is pre-constructed for you, so really all you're doing is attaching the arms, the back, and the bottom together, and then you have a bench that's ready to be used outdoors in just a matter of minutes. This bench is designed for outdoor use, whether by the pool, porch, patio, or the secret garden. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you ever so much for watching.